Hey guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors, and today on the table we have the gear shift knob for my Honda Civic Hatchback, and it's red. You know what? If that sounded a little familiar, I totally just stole the beginning for Unbox Warehouse. Unbox Warehouse is actually my friend. He's awesome. He's a channel on YouTube. Check him out if you guys haven't. But yeah, let's get into this. I had to wait like 3 freaking weeks for this to come in, and it came from like China. Let's see here. It came from Xingchengshihija Furong. Wow, I butchered that. And that's from Furong District in Changsha, Henan. Okay, so I gotta learn my Chinese words. But let's open this up. Oh man, this is gonna be like idiot proof. Because I'm an idiot. Open it up. Ooh. Okay, so, as you know, on the channel, for the inside of my Civic Hatchback, and by the way, Civic Hatchback's named Sora, we are doing a red theme on the interior. So I have the cup holders that are red. I have the little climate control knobs that are red. I'm going to eventually do some red vinyl wrapping on the inside, but this is going to be a red gear shift knob cover. Look at this, Chinese words, and Chinese words here. I have no idea what they mean, but they might mean that it feels cool, possibly. But let's open this, and this is idiot proof still. Ooh, check it out, guys. It says Civic X. What? Boom. Well, if I do it like this, you guys can see it. But it's backwards for me right now, but it's probably not backwards for you. Anyway, so this is gonna go onto the knob, and then, wait, is there lace? Is there lace? Hold on. There's lace! I have to lace this. I don't know how to lace, but I'm about to learn how to lace. I am not gonna do like an install video of this because I'm a freaking idiot. But yeah, there is like needle and thread, and you thread it in the back. But this is genuine leather, and so if you guys are wanting, this, I'll have the link in the description to where I bought it. But guys, I don't know if you know this, but we officially have merchandise. I made t-shirts. We've got black shirts, we've got white shirts, we've got like blue shirts and yellow shirts and gray shirts, and we've even got hoodies. But I'll have a link to my store on Teespring. Make sure to get yourself some merch. It's freaking awesome. It'll help the channel, it'll help me, and it'll help us get some awesome content out there. But I'm really excited. It's the first time I've ever made any t-shirts and anything like that, so I am super pumped about it. But yeah, let's go to the car and install this. So obviously they know that I'm stupid, and they came with instructions here. So this is properly showing me how to lace this guy. But it looks really freaking complicated. Wait. So I put it through. Oh, so it goes in that way, and then it comes around. Oh, okay. And then it does that deal. Well, anyway, let's go to the car. All right, so we're making our way out. It's a beautiful evening. Let's get the camera steady. Look at that. Man, I really like the wheels, guys. They really did turn out well. 10th Gen Society, guys. Boom, car club. Oh yeah, BLP3 Motors. Anyway. My car's a mess. Let's move this over. All right. Here we go. Sorry guys. I didn't think about cleaning the car before we did this. So, this will go on here like so. And then you just kind of stitch it on the other side. Can I remove this? Is this removable? How the heck am I supposed to stitch it on the other side? God, I'm an idiot. But it's okay. I'm gonna figure this out. And I'm gonna get the stitch on. El Stitcho. I'm not getting the stitch on here though, because there's just no way that that's happening. So I've done some makeshift thingies on here, and I gotta pull the threads and make it nice, but this is probably like the most DIY thing that I've done like this. Kind of exciting, but I'm not gonna show you the terrible stitch job that I just did, and I need to really clean that. But look at that red, the red liners, and the, excuse me, I just burped, red control knobs. I need some more red in here, guys. Maybe red here, possibly. I kind of want to do the red emblem, but I'm not sure. There's going to be too many different types of red. But the red here, yeah, the red here and the red here, they look very similar. This red and this red's not. So that's the only downside. And by the way, when I'm doing driving, that's the mount. And if you want this mount, it's pretty reasonably priced. It's also in the link in my description. Check out my description, guys. I'll check it out. But yeah, I'm going to tighten this up and let's just figure it out. All right, it is done. And actually what I ended up doing was I tucked in the extra thread, like right here, so I didn't cut it. So just in case I need to take this off and I want to rethread it or do something again, it is there. But wow, that looks really cool. Civic X, this is awesome. Again, guys, the link is in the description, and this truck behind me, freaking loud. Butthole. That butthole over there. Anyway, so yes, boom, friggin' awesome, love it. All right, guys, so we're all done here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're a first-time viewer, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. But I appreciate you guys, and the links are in the description for everything that I kind of went over. I was kind of alluding to some things, but I appreciate you guys watching, and we will catch you on the next one.